This video comes with a statement instead of the planned intro, so please pause to read it. Okay, so for the top, I took this corset pattern piece that I absolutely love. And you know, pattern pieces can sometimes be like a suggestion, because like I know that this fits me great, so I just like added 4 fingers down, because I want it to be longer but like still maintain the same curve. And I did 2 fingers here because I needed it to be just a little bit bigger, because like here I would use a zipper and not a ribbon closer. You need to cut both the front and the back twice and then pin them to the side like this. Then sew along the sides of both pairs. Just be careful that you need to sew on the opposite sides in those 2 pairs. The outer pair and the lining will be mirrored, so don't go into seam ripping because it sucks. And of course, zigzag stitch the raw edges to secure them. This doesn't look pretty, but it will be hidden anyways. Then it's skirt time. Make as big of a rectangle as your fabric will allow for and hem its bottom. Okay, so this is your skirt. Of course, you need to hem the bottom. And in the sides, you're going to do a French stitch to hide all of the raw fabric. And on top, you're going to add 2 basting stitches. As you have separated the skirt into 4 parts, you're going to take the bodice that looks like this. I added boning off camera, and I added a corset closure and ribbons here so you can tie this. So now that the skirt is separated into 4 parts, we need to gather evenly. So we're gonna take our bodice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, because this closes like that. And we need to pin, for example, this is 2, so I will pin it at 2 and then gather appropriately. Like, does this make sense? The skirt is made, but the biggest problem with it is that it is very puffy, so when we pin this to the bodice, it looks like very weird. So I'm going to implement something I call puff control. What is puff control? Puff is this very long piece of fabric that I have just like tucked the raw edges inside, and we are going to fold it over here practically encasing the path inside, and we're going to stitch over these like many times so that the path is as contained as possible. So when we attach these to the bodies, there is only one line of sewing and it looks as clean as possible and as thin as possible.